Come test drive this 2014 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.